Hello, Mike here. Mike Investigates. I'm here in my lab, and let's talk about sound in this next episode. Okay, sound. What is it? Sound, by definition, is a vibration that propagates as an acoustic wave through a transmission medium such as gas, liquid, or solid, and transverses longitudinally in plasma. Okay, so what does all this mean? Right now, I'm talking to you. The sound is hitting a microphone, which is converting my voice of sound, of vibrations, into electrical pulses and recording it. Then it's recreating into your headphones or your speakers and propagating it through the medium of air, through time and space, via recording. Interesting. I see you in the future watching this video. Oh. Anyways, okay, let's talk about some other aspects. Sound is a pressure. Okay. This pressure is going in and out through high and low pressure points, going in and out, vibrating back and forth, creating the waves. So the air molecules are not really traveling as opposed to the information or the pressure is being pushed through it and then hitting the object that is hitting on the other side. Okay, so you can measure these in two different ways. A transverse wave is where the medium is transversing up and down in a waveform, or longitudinal waves, which is basically like, do I have a pen? Oh, I have an example right here. Okay, so this item, if you can see it, yeah, you can see it. Okay, so it is it's a bar that goes across to one end on each side, and it has this right here on both ends. And if I push one in or the other, it automatically goes back and forth. And if I push it back and forth, it's vibrating. That's longitudinal waves. And they go very quickly. Quicker depending on the medium. Now, those longitudinal waves are also considered scalar waves as well. And they transverse through space. So, in retrospective form, what is sound other than a transfer of energy from one point to another point? Now, consider this. There are occasions where you can vibrate objects via sound, and they resonate to a point where they break, such as a glass, when someone's singing, and they become the high-pitched tone, and the cylinder or the glass item creates the resonance frequency of that item, and it starts to rattle and shake and break. Well, that's via sound. Now, consider this. What if you couple the resonance field of that object, negating gravity, harmonic sound levitation? Interesting food for thought. But this is going a little bit, long, and these are just my thoughts on random subjects that sooner or later will be tied together in a future video. And I want to tell you, thank you very much for watching, and keep investigating. Mike, out.